Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome to a new week of Aldi Finds. Get ready to transform your outdoor space into a haven of relaxation and entertainment with Aldi's carefully selected products. So hurry to your nearest Aldi and make your outdoor dreams a reality while supplies last. Now let's get started. So we're going to start with the home goods section. Our first item is the Balavi bar cart. It does have locking caster wheels and it is only $24.99. And next, the Huntington Home 6x9 indoor outdoor area rug. It comes in four stylish designs and it is only $49.99. Our next item is the Huntington Home basket with bamboo lid. It does come in black or white and it is only $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Sarah Wine and Beverage Cooler Bag. It does come in four different designs and it is only $9.99. Now we're going to go ahead and move into the household essentials. We only have one item in this section, and it is the Easy Home Clear Cleaning Brush. You can choose from scrub brush, dish brush, or radial brush, only $1.99. And now we're heading into the kitchen section. First up, we have the Crofton 10-piece food storage set. It does include 5 containers with 5 matching lids for only $12.99. The next item that we have is the Crofton 2-pack Berry Keeper or Produce Keeper, only $9.99. Here we have the Crofton 32-ounce Triton water bottle. It comes in several different colors and it is only $4.99. We have the Crofton 4-pack glassware. It is a set of 4 wine glasses. Only you can get it in pink, green, or blue. You also can choose stemmed or stemless, or the old-fashioned glasses. $4.99 for $9.99 for the set. Here we have the Crofton bamboo serving board. You can choose from the arch or flower shape for only $6.99. We have the Crofton banana hanger with fruit basket. It's in matte black, matte white, or stainless steel for $9.99. We have the Crofton ceramic colander, only $6.99, and you can choose from 4 different designs. We have the Crofton cereal container assortment. It contains 1 large container, or you can get the 2-pack medium container, only $6.99. We have the Crofton colorful plate set that matches the glassware. It is a 4-pack. You get 1 blue, 1 green, 1 pink, and 1 yellow for only $12.99. Here we have the Crofton fridge liners. It is a 3-piece set for only $9.99. For $4.99. We have the Crofton fridge tray. You can choose from assortment of trays, only $4.99. And here we have the Crofton garlic and lemon accessories. You can choose from juicer, dicer, or zester, only $2.99. We have the Crofton glass canister with bamboo lid. You can choose from the large canister or a canister set of 2 for only $9.99. We have the Crofton glass decanter. You can choose 2 different designs, clear glass or pink ombre, only $6.99. We have the Crofton herb and potato prep accessories. You can choose from potato brush, wavy knife, herb scissors, or herb stripper for $2.99. And we have the Huntington Home bamboo kitchen organizers. Your choice of expandable spice rack, stackable shelf, or 2-tier turntable, $9.99 each. And friends, I think I need 1 of each. Next up, or the last item in this section, I should say, is the Huntington Home kitchen storage solution. You can choose from stacking bin, all-purpose bin, or the 2-pack insert bin, and they are only $7.99. And now we're heading into the decor section. First item in this section is the Huntington Home hand-blown glass vase. There are a variety of different shapes, colors, and designs for only $5.99. Next up, we have the Huntington Home rattan terracotta candle. You can choose from 3 different scents, only $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Huntington Home two-tone glass candle. It's available in 4 different scents. You can choose from tropical flower, white sands, coconut clouds, or pineapple paradise, and they are only $4.99 each. Now we're moving into the garden and patio section. First up, we have the 6-inch vegetable assortment and herb assortment. Please note that these are not available in all locations and they are $3.29 each. Next up, we have the Balavi 2-pack ceramic hanging planter. It comes in 2 different colors and they are only $9.99 each. We have the Balavi 4-pack solar disc lights. It comes in matte black or stainless steel for $14.99. We have the Balavi 6-inch decorative planter. It comes in 4 different designs and they are $4.99. We have the Balavi garden table stake. The table does have 3 stakes at the bottom for stability, and it does hold 2 wine glasses, and they are $9.99 each. We have the Balavi metal garden sign. We have 4 different signs to choose from, and they are $4.99. We also have the Balavi outdoor puff, only $29.99. You can get it in sheer bliss or rust color. I think I need the sheer bliss one. We have the Balavi rain chain. It comes in flower, watering can, or windmill for only $12.99. We also have the Balavi rattan storage table, and friends, I really, really, really want this. Only $24.99. Next up, we have the Balavi shepherd's hook. It is only $9.99, and it does hold up to 10 pounds per hook. We have the Balavi Here we have the Balavi urn planter. It comes in 3 different colors and it is only $12.99. Next up, we have the Castle Lux lantern on a stand. Friends, it comes in natural light or dark. It is made out of plastic and it is only $12.99. Next up, we have the Castle Lux Smoky Shade String Lights. They are suitable for indoors or outdoors, and it is only $12.99 per string. Next up, we have the Crofton Insulated Ice Bucket. It is available in blue, white, or black, and it's only $29.99. We also have the Garden Line 4-pack plant supports, excuse me. They are only $4.99, and that's a really good price, my friends. It does not say how tall they are. We also have the Garden Line Chickadee Birdhouse. You can get it in blue, orange, and yellow for only $9.99. We have the Garden Line Flexible Downspout Extender. You can get it in white, brown, or black, and it is only We have the Garden Line Interlocking Garden. It is available in a black or brown, and it is only $4.99. We have the Garden Line Mixed Spring Bulbs. It does come in assorted varieties. Please note this is not available in all locations, and you will need to check your store for price. We have the Garden Line Tumbling Composter. The capacity is 15.90 gallons or 60 liters. It is $39.99. We have the Huntington Home 2-pack outdoor toss pillows. They are 16 by 16 and they are only $9.99. That's a really good price, friends. And the last item in our outdoor section is the Huntington Home 24 by 36 outdoor accent rug. It does come in 4 stylish designs and they are only $6.99 each, friends. Great. So now we're moving into the Peril section. We do only have one item here, and it is the Sarah Ladies 2-pack shapewear. It comes in 2 different colors, and it is only $9.99. And now we're moving into the beverage section. We do only have 2 items here, excuse me. First up, we have the Arizona Variety Tea Pack. It is a 24-pack for only $15.99. Next up, we have the LaCroix Variety Pack, 24 in a pack for only $9.48. Now we're heading into the bakery and bread section. We do only have 2 items in this section as well. First up, we have the Bake Shop chocolate chip thumbprint cookies, only $3.49 each. And the last item in this section is the Loft House Spring Frosted Sugar Cookies, and they are $3.95 each. And now we're heading into the snack section. Our first item is the Baker's Treat Mini Muffin Value Pack Chocolate Chip or Confetti Cake for $5.99. And friends, unfortunately, we do not have a picture available. We have the Betty Crocker Fruit by the Foot Variety Pack. They are only $2.89 and you get 6 in the pack. Next up, we have the Clancy's Milk Chocolate Covered Toffee Pretzels. They are $2.99. Here we have the Millville Rainbow Crispy Rice Treats. They are $2.79. We have the Nabisco 12-pack single-serve cookie assortment. You can get minis, mini Oreos, or mini vanilla wafers, and they are only $6.42. And the last item in this section is the Nabisco gluten-free Oreos Golden or Mint, and they are only $4.58. Now we're heading into the dairy and egg section. We do only have one item here, and it is the Pillars Drinkable Greek Yogurt, Mixed Berry or Peach, only $2.79. And now we're heading into the breakfast and cereal section. First up, we have the General Mills Chex Mix treat bars. You get assorted varieties, and they are only $3.27 for a box of 6 bars. Next up, we have the General Mills Trix Flowers or Lucky Charms Berry Swirl. They are $3.48 per box. And the last item in this section is the Nabisco family size Belvita cookies. They are only $7.48. Next up, we're heading into the deli section. Our first item is the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen pulled pork mac and cheese flatbread, $5.99 each. We have the Pillsbury chocolate chip or Reese's cookie dough poppins, only $5.49. And we have the Priano truffle or bolognese ravioli, only $3.69. And now, friends, we are heading into the frozen food section. Our first item is the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations beef and broccoli or beef lo mein. They are only $5.59 each. The next item is the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations cream cheese wontons. They are $3.69. We have the specially selected spinach and goat cheese or goat cheese and fig for only $4.29. We have the Sunday Shop Vanilla Milk Chocolate Almond Ice Cream Bars, $3.79, and unfortunately, we do not have an image available. We also have the Tyson Air Fried Strips. They are only $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Yummy Alpha Buddies, and they are $8.99 per box. And now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. We do only have one item here, and it is pork belly. It is $2.99 per pound, and it does come in random weights. And now we're moving into the very last section, which is the Pantry Essentials. First up, we have the Betty Crocker Oreo Brownie or Reese's Muffin Mix, $3.64 each. The next item is the Betty Crocker Reese's Lava Cake Mix, $4.95 per box. And the very last item we have today, friends, is the specially selected flavored gourmet peaches, assorted varieties for $3.49, and unfortunately, we do not have an image available. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantities sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am the consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi Finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typography. Friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that little like button, and also make sure you hit the subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And if you get a second, please go ahead and check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am available on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I will see you next week for more